Hello, welcome back to Off Grid Style. I'm Nikki. I'm laughing because of something that my husband just said to me off screen. Anyway, welcome back. Today we're discussing what you need and how to put together a pandemic emergency kit. This is a good one to have because there's probably going to be another one out there somewhere soon with everything else going on in the world. That's next on the list, I think. So let's find out what we need to do to have that pandemic kit ready. Let's get started.
In times of global health crises, being prepared can make a significant difference in ensuring the safety and well-being of yourself and your loved ones. Building a pandemic preparedness kit is a proactive step towards readiness. Here is a basic guide to creating your own kit. A container, a 5-gallon bucket with a toilet seat. Start with a sturdy 5-gallon bucket equipped with a toilet seat. This serves as a portable and accessible sanitation solution. Sanitation essentials: toilet paper and tissue, an ample supply for personal hygiene, disinfectant spray and wipes, effective for sanitizing surfaces and maintaining a clean environment, waste disposal bags, sealable bags for proper disposal of waste, personal protective equipment or PPE, biohazard bags, essential for disposing of contaminated clothing, disposable hazmat suits with hoodies, full body protection against potential exposure, goggles, safety glasses, and disposable face mask shields, shielding the eyes and face from contaminants, an N95 mask, a high filtration mask for respiratory protection, non-latex gloves, essential for personal and environmental safety, 2-inch silk tape, securely seal openings and seams, a hygiene kit, hand sanitizer, maintain hand hygiene without water, plastic sheeting, create barriers and partitions for isolation if needed, a first aid kit, include pain relievers like Tylenol and Motrin along with basic medical supplies, temperature monitoring, disposable thermometer, track body temperature for early detection, reusable respirator, an alternative to disposable masks for extended use. Additional precautions: disposable shoe covers, prevents contaminants from entering living spaces. Entertainment items, books, games, and other activities to alleviate stress and boredom. Assembly and organization: categorize and prioritize. Group items logically, prioritizing essentials like PPE and sanitation supplies. Labeling: label each section for quick and easy access. Regular checkups: periodically review and replenish items, ensuring the kit is always ready for use. Customization: consider the specific needs of your household. If you have infants, include diapers and baby essentials. For those with specific medical conditions, tailor the first aid section accordingly. Storage: keep the kit in an easily accessible location known to all household members. Ensure it is stored in a cool, dry place to maintain the integrity of the contents. Maintenance: regularly update the kit based on expiration dates and changing circumstances. Stay informed about pandemic developments and adjust your kit accordingly. By assembling a well-thought-out pandemic preparedness kit, you empower yourself to face unforeseen challenges with resilience and resourcefulness. Preparedness not only enhances personal safety, but contributes to the collective well being of your community.
There you have it. There is pretty much a complete pandemic kit. You've got everything in this kit that you could possibly need for pretty much any type of situation that involves a communicable disease of some sort. So let me know what your thoughts are. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out our community page. We do all kinds of stuff on there every day. A lot of it is interactive, including my quizzes every morning. I'll see you again soon. Thank you.